realize that it would cut me off. I just wanted to point out that this right here, so it technically looks really dry. It's around a really dry area. However, there's a little bit of green. And I was wondering if any of you can think about it and make a prediction why. So if you can pause it and try to challenge yourself to try to figure that out. So what it is the fact that there's a lot of rivers. So this one right here is there's two very popular, very famous rivers that we're going to be learning about. This one right here is one of them. And then the other one is, I think, towards this area here. All right, so let's continue so we can get through this. Do not worry about this right here. All right, so geography of ancient China. So this is the word that I was having a hard time pronouncing. Geographically isolated from Central and Western Asia. All right, so isolated means that it's separated, that it has its own piece of land. However, if we look at the map, it's not like an island. It's not separated from everything else. What it means that it's geographically isolated. It means there's something in the way that's keeping China separate from the rest of Asia. So from up here, China, which is this right here, is separated by a river. And lower down on this side, China is separated from the rest of Asia by the Himalaya Mountains. So it's kind of like in a little, I don't want to say it's a cave, but it's a little piece, or it's a big piece of land that there is something in the way in between China and the rest of Asia. So on this side, so right here it says it, we have the Himalaya Mountains to the southwest. If we have a compass, we know that south is towards the down direction, north is towards up, east is this direction, and then west is this direction. So this right here is the southwest. We have the Gobi Desert. So if you are looking at this right here, the Gobi Desert is right over here. And it's northwest of China. We have the Tarim Basin, and that is, where is that? You're probably going to end up finding it a lot faster than I am. But it's somewhere on there. I'm just going to keep going. So this one's to the west. Oh, the west should be north, south, east, west on this side. All right. Favorable climate for agriculture. Favorable means that it was good climate to plant crops, to farm. It's for agriculture, having their own animals. So it had very good climate. It was able to do all of those things. Not like other places that we've kind of learned about where they had either an overflow of water or not enough water, or it was too dry and hot. So this one had pretty good climate. Two major river valleys provided rich, fertile soil for farming. So we've learned before how important rivers are to a society, or to these, lands, for them to be able to plant and have their crops flourish and have enough food. So this one right here is one of the rivers, and I'm going to mention that in a little bit which one it is. But the water, it helps have and creates fertile soil for them to use for their crops. We have the Yangtze River in southern China. This is not it. This is north. There's another right here. The Yangtze, there's different names for it. You'll learn both. So this right here is one river, and we also have the Yellow River, which is also known as the Huanghe River, and that's this blue one right here. And it says that the Huanghe River is in northern China, and it's known for its yellow colored, and I don't know what that says because there's something on my screen that's in the way. So the Yellow River, this one, I believe is what it is. It has a little tint of yellow to it. And that's why it's called, also the Yellow River. All right, so this right here, I think that's it for geography. Let's see. Yeah. So that's it. This is part one. Make sure that, these words here, you have to fill in the blank on that document, and that's it for today. All right.